All parties Hurriyat conference has said that the Indian forces and the police establishment under the BJP's Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, laced with unbridled powers under draconian laws, are snatching the rights of the people at their free will in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, said that every institution in India was treating the Kashmiris as their enemies who had no human rights. Continuing with the anti-Kashmir agenda, the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian regime has attached the properties of 6 more Kashmiris in occupied Kashmir. The Indian police, under the BJP's Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, seized 8 canals and 1 Malla properties valuing about 2 crore and 81 lakh of the Hurriyat leader Muhammad Abdullah Malik and the Kashmiris in Bandipora district under draconian the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has said that an improvement in the Pakistan-India ties will be better for occupied Kashmir. Farooq Abdullah, talking to the reporters in Jammu while replying to a question on the External Affairs Minister Jaishankar's remarks on Azad Kashmir, said, "If the relations between the two countries improve, it is a good thing for us." Aam Aadmi Party leader and the member of the Legislative Assembly from the Doda, Miraj Malik, has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party government is fueling the growing drug crisis in occupied Kashmir. Miraj Malik, speaking during the budget session in the Kashmir Assembly, said that the BJP government has worsened the drug problem by prioritizing the revenue through the expansion of the liquor shops, ignoring the health and the future of the people. The latest remarks by the India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Azad Kashmir are yet another example of the India's aggressive rhetoric and the historical distortion of the facts. The News International, in its editorial today, said, speaking at the Chatham House in London, Jaishankar claimed that the Kashmir dispute would be solved once the stolen part of the Kashmir, referring to the Azad Kashmir, was returned to India.